All right, welcome back. So today we're going to be making a chocolate peanut butter bar. Okay, so first what we're going to do, and this is the ingredients that we want first of all. So we need the almond milk, so the zero sugar, the Harvest Crunch cereal. I like using this, the Naked PB. Okay, just because of the low calories of it. Me personally, I love peanut butter, but it has so much calories that it's hard to put it into any type of meal where you want to reduce the calories. This is the best thing to do, is just to use the Naked PB. And we're going to be using some protein, and the protein we're using here is peanut butter cookie protein, which is really good. We're going to be using also some crushed peanut pieces and some dark chocolate as well. So we're doing pretty good for the whole thing, but it will fill you up because there's going to be so much protein in it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crush all this. So I have some almonds in here with the Harvest Crunch. So we're going to blend this fine until it gets kind of fine, and then go from there. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be putting in the almond milk, and then adding in the Naked PB. And if it is too thick, you can always add more of the almond milk as you go along. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're just going to add this to this. Butter. But now this is the type of mix you want to have right here. So this is the type you want. It's got to be thick like this. Just got to make sure it's all mixed in really well. Okay, so this is what you're basically going to have. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, just to let it settle down. Okay. All right, we're back, and it's been about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And I did melt the chocolate in the microwave. So what we're going to do right now, we're just going to pour the chocolate on top of it. And we're just going to spread it around. So I didn't end up using all the chocolates. I only used 3 of the 5 bars. So that's about 300 calories in there. Okay, last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our crushed peanuts. We're just gonna put them on top, like so. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the fridge overnight. I like to put it overnight, just so it gets nice and settled, and then we'll come back and we'll take a taste of it. All right, we're back, and we're just going to be cutting into it right now to see how it looks. And I'm going to cut it to several little pieces just because there's so much protein in this right now that it's going to fill you up. I don't think you'll be able to eat all of it. Okay, and there's the final product, and bon appetit.